Now, today we are going to talk on the topic the birth of microbiology. While the ancients may have suspected the existence of invisible, minute creatures, it wasn't until the invention of the microscope that their existence was definitely confirmed. माइक्रोस्कोपमा हुँदाखेरि इन्भिजिबल माइक्रो अर्गानिजम्सको बारेमा त्यति पत्ता लागेको थिएन. While it is unclear who exactly invented the microscope, a Dutch cloth merchant named Antoine van Leeuwenhoek 1632 to 1723 was the first to develop a lens powerful enough to view microbes. In 1675, using a simple but powerful microscope, Leeuwenhoek was able to observe single-celled organisms, which he described as animalcules, or wee little beasts swimming in a drop of rainwater. From his drawing of these little organisms, we now know he was looking at bacteria and protists. We will explore Leeuwenhoek's contribution to microscopy further in how we see the invisible world. Nearly 200 years after Leeuwenhoek got his first glimpse of microbes, the golden age of microbiology spawned a host of new discoveries between 1857 and 1914. Two famous microbiologists, Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch, were especially active in advancing our understanding of the unseen world of microbes. Pasteur, a French chemist, showed that individual microbial strains had unique properties and demonstrated the fermentation is caused by microorganisms. He also invented pasteurization, a process used to kill microorganisms responsible for spoilage, and develop vaccines for the treatment of diseases including rabies in animals and humans. Koch, a German physician, was the first to demonstrate the connection between a single isolated microbe and a known human disease. For example, he discovered the bacteria that cause anthrax, Bacillus anthracis, cholera, Vibrio cholera, and tuberculosis, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. We will discuss this famous microbiologist and others in later chapters. In the figure shown are as microbiology has developed, it has allowed the broader discipline of biology to grow and flourish in previously unimagined ways. Much of what we know about human cells comes from our understanding of microbes, and many of the tools we use today to study cells and their genetics derive from work with microbes. In the figure, we can see the famous scientists Robert Koch and Louis Pasteur. Today, this much only.